What's unique about Indian and Euro home decor? Welcome to Inspiring Home FAQS, your ultimate destination for innovative home solutions. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Indian and Euro home decor? Join us on an enlightening journey as we delve into the unique characteristics that define these two distinct styles. The essence of Indian home decor. Step into the vibrant world of Indian home decor, where rich colors, intricate patterns, and cultural symbolism converge to create spaces brimming with warmth and character. From opulent textiles to handcrafted furniture, every element tells a story steeped in tradition and heritage. Euro home decor, a tale of elegance. In stark contrast, Euro home decor embodies a sense of refined sophistication and understated luxury. Clean lines, muted tones, and minimalist aesthetics define this style, evoking a sense of tranquility and serenity. Bridging the cultural divide. But what happens when these two distinct worlds collide? Explore the fascinating fusion of Indian and Euro influences as we uncover innovative ways to blend cultural elements seamlessly. From incorporating traditional Indian motifs into contemporary Euro settings to infusing Euro minimalism with bursts of vibrant Indian hues, the possibilities are endless. Practical tips for implementation. Ready to embark on your own decor journey? Our AI avatars are here to guide you every step of the way. Gain valuable insights and practical tips for implementing Indian and Euro-inspired decor in your home. Learn how to play with color palettes, mix and match furniture styles, and curate personalized accents that reflect your unique personality and taste. Unlocking creativity through DIY projects. Feeling inspired to get hands-on? Explore a plethora of DIY projects tailored to unleash your creativity and elevate your home decor game. From upcycling old furniture to crafting bespoke home accessories, our step-by-step tutorials empower you to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary works of art. Embracing sustainability. Join the eco-conscious movement and discover sustainable approaches to home decor that are both environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing. Explore innovative materials and energy-efficient solutions that not only reduce your carbon footprint but also enhance the beauty and functionality of your living environment. The power of personalization. Learn how to infuse your home with soulful touches that resonate with your individuality and aspirations. Whether it's displaying cherished mementos or incorporating meaningful artworks, let your home tell the story of who you are and what you love. Subscribe for endless inspiration. Ready to embark on your dream home journey? Subscribe to Inspiring Home FAQS for free consultations, expert advice, and the latest trends in home improvement. Transform your space and unlock the true potential of your home with AI-driven content and AI-generated avatars as your trusted guides. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make your dream home a reality.